Hello, tube timers. A little froggy in the throat here. Well, today we have something completely different for us to discuss. Has nothing to do with tubes directly. Well, maybe a little tube inside, but who knows. Today, I went to the hospital for a heart stress test. And the best part of the stress test is they used nuclear medicine. And what they do is they stress your heart. They inject some radioactive tracer substance into your body. In this case, it's technetium. And they watch it on an X-ray exposure plate to see how it travels through your heart, looking for blockages and other abnormalities. So when I went in this morning, I put on a personal dosimeter. Now, the personal dosimeter looks like this. In this case, it's something you wear. This side faces your body. It's kind of hard to see what's going on here. It's an LCD display, which these things don't appreciate. The cameras, that is. And it says, let's see if you can read it. It says, I have personally emitted 426 microsieverts at the location of this dosimeter. So I thought I would want to share that with you. Now, this thing right here is a Geiger counter. And I want to see if how radioactive I'm going to be. So the very first thing I'm going to do is turn it on. This is the probe. I'll turn the probe face down on the table. I'm going to turn it on a little bit. And the meter here says it's got a battery is okay. And the high voltage feeding this Geiger-Muller tube is fine. And now, pardon me while I get a little bit rude, I'm going to put it on the times 100 scale. Or we're talking in milliroentgens per hour, 100 times 0.1, so that would be 10. And in counts per minute, there's 100. So bear with me with the rudeness. That's radioactive. Now I'll turn it off. Now what I'm going to do is take this Geiger counter and I'm going to put it on the other side of the room where we should only be getting, hopefully you can hear the ticks of the Geiger counter, what is known as background radiation. So bear with me for one moment. And as I walk away from it, you can hear the ticks getting less. Those ticks, although that's a little rapid for here, is background radiation. Cosmic rays, other weird things that come in from the cosmos that like to cause events with us. So I thought this would be very interesting for you to see that after the nuclear test, you will be radioactive for about 2 days, and then it goes away. Technetium is a gamma emitter. It is not particularly dangerous in this form. It still is way more than background. It can still detect me from 10 feet away, 3 meters. As I get close again, it's going to really scream, and then I will turn it off. As I get physically close to the detector. I just turned the sound off because you don't need to be hearing that. It's a little bit obnoxious. I put it on my skin. Let's see if you can see some of the needle going up. I'm not sure if you can. It's right here. And it is going higher and higher. I am now at 30,000 counts per minute. and my millirentgen per hour is 25 roughly. Anyways, tube timers, I just thought I'd show you how this works and the curiosity that it is. This is not a normal broadcast, but I guess I'm still in my mission statement of bringing interesting technology to all that care to watch. Tube timers, take care, and I'll be back to you in about a week or so with the next 6P1 Noob Sound, Duke Audio, Sunbuck amplifier. Take care, everyone, and have a great weekend.